Alright everybody, we fix to go outside and see a little snowstorm here. We got some snow going on. See if I can turn on a little light too. I came outside. Kinda hard to see. There it is. We got snow. Look at that everybody. That's a Honda generator. Look at that. That bad little boy. Yeah, I know I shouldn't be running it in the open weather, but you want to talk about product review, there you go, Honda. And she'll run all night long. Yeah, maybe that avoids the warranty, but there you go. Alright, everybody. Peace.